Hi everyone, in today's tutorial we are going to learn how to hide formulas in Excel. So let's get started. If I click any of the cell here like this particular one, you can see the formula has been displayed at the formula bar. So our today's tutorial is to show you how we can hide the formula so that it's not visible here. Okay, so let's get started. First select the entire worksheet, then under Home tab, go to Format, then go to Format Cells. Then under protection, you can see this locked box has been checked. By default, all cells in Excel are normally locked. So we want to unlock it. So just uncheck it, then click OK. So the next thing we need to do is to select all cells with formulas. So how do we go about it? Again, go to the Home tab, then find and select, then go to Special, then click formulas, okay, then click OK. So you can see all the cells that have formulas have been selected or highlighted. So the next thing we need to do is to format again. So make sure the cells with formulas are selected, then go to the Home tab, then again go to Format, then Format Cells, okay. Then this time round, we are going to tick this box hidden. Make sure you tick it, then click OK. So the next thing we need to do is to protect the cells that have formulas. So what you need to do under the Review tab, go to Protect Sheet, okay. Then input a password of your choice, okay. Let me put a password there. Then it will prompt you to re-enter the password, okay, just to make sure you put the correct password that you can remember, then click OK. So at this particular point, if I try to click all the cells, any of the cells with the formula, you can see it's not visible at the formula bar. You see, it's not visible. So that's it about hiding formulas in Excel. If you found this video quite helpful, please subscribe to our channel, leave a comment down below, and see you in our next tutorial. Bye.